molesting and insulting people in the name of Asiwaju Tinubu Jagaban. A monkey in disguise that has grown to become an ape, and soon as you become a gorilla, wants to come and rule a beautiful and well-created nation like Nigeria. Let me tell you something. Fear of words or fear of human, that's an abstract word. Reality is reality. Enough is enough where illiterates come and sit down at the end of affair of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Enough is enough. Our children are at home. Our children are not in school. Because what? The Minister of Education is a cow.